cutest thing I've ever seen. We're doing our night chores, putting the farm to bed, and the wild mama duck has brought her babies right out to our sheep pasture. Let's see if they're still here. Oh no, where'd they go? There they go. Oh no, there they go. They're running. Oh, I bet I can go see them this way. Those are my little babies. Hang on, guys. I think they're right back here. Let's see if I can sneak up on them. Here they come. Here they come, right up the stream. I won't hurt you. That's a beautiful tree frog right behind me. But there goes Mama Duck and her 12 wild ducklings. Right past the old stone foundation. What a good mama. There they go, heading back to the pond. They just gotta go a little bit further and the pond is just past over there. Oh, so cute. They don't want to leave, you can tell. She's like dragging it out, hoping that I'll go away so they can come back and eat some sheep grain. Alright, well, I'm gonna do that then. Love you. See you soon. Bye.